Today I am going to show you how I do laundry for our family of 8. We have 6 children from ages 15 all the way down to 3, and so we are constantly doing laundry. And over the years, I have literally scoured the globe for the best laundry routine I can find, and I had yet to find it. And so I think I found it now. I just got creative one day and I thought, I want to spend the hours and hours that I'm spending folding clothes doing something else. And so I think I figured it out, and I've been doing this system for about a year now, and it's worked amazingly. So let me show you how I do laundry. Okay, so this is my laundry room. Have some mixed matched machines, but that's okay. And you know, we have our pantry in here, but all along here are all of our laundry baskets. And I specifically chose like the fabric kind, so that they would be able to kind of expand and contract as I need them to, so they'll fit under there. And so they're all labeled with our names. If you can see that, they all have our names on them. And so everyone has their own basket. My other method is that we only have one hamper. And so all of the kids, Mike and I, we always come and put our laundry in the same hamper every single day. And that is a lifesaver because I don't have a bunch of random hampers around the house overflowing and falling over in everybody's room. I also have this fabric-y looking laundry thing that I hang from my clothes hanger, and inside it are all the misfit socks. So if a sock comes out and I can't find its match in the load that I was doing, I will just drop it in here, and yeah, I will take the whole thing down and just fold all the socks later on. If you were following along, I'll just refresh. The key was to get everyone their own laundry basket and to put one huge laundry bin in a central location. And I chose the laundry room because it's just easier to transfer all the clothes from the laundry hamper into the washer. If you are the type of person who has to separate the clothes, this is not the system for you. You have to be willing to just mesh everything together all at once and not hope for the best, because if you wash it on cold, you usually won't have anything bleed together or whatever. So that's what I do. I usually grab a heaping handful of clothes and then I put them all in the washer. And while those are washing, I will deal with the dryer clothes. Let me show you how I do that. As I will just take the item, I know this is mine, and I will just put it in my basket. And then I will keep doing that over and over and over again until this is empty. After that, I will call everyone in here and I will say, you need to come and get your baskets. The kids will, and myself and my husband, we will get our baskets, immediately fold our own clothes, put them away in the right drawers, hang what needs hung, and then as part of the routine, we'll just bring our basket back in here on the floor and then do it all over again. Because when you have 8 people in the house, laundry never ends.